In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, click on the same shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location section over here. Then click on it and tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!